Okay, so this is the same 32 by 40 restoration project that I've been working on. It's running Windows XP, and now I've taken out all of the motion controller cards out of the inside of the PC, and I've added this control box sitting on the top, an Eclipse logic unit ELU. Okay, this box contains a power supply and a controller card that connects by an Ethernet cable. So we'll go around and we'll look at that. So now, instead of having this tan cable plugged into the motion controller here, the PCI card, we've got it plugged into the ELU unit, and then we've got an Ethernet cable right here running down to the PC. Okay, I've got everything now plugged in to an outlet that's underneath. You can see it right there. There's an outlet actually built into the Eclipse. Many of you don't know that, but there it is. And so I've got it plugged in there. Same electrical panel, same ICM 2900, all the same stuff from the PCI upgrade. I'll go over here. Same serial number. Okay, same machine. So now we're going to run this with an Ethernet card. So if I start the create software, and I add an opening, and I decorate the corners, and make our little shield opening, and then I send that over to cut. Put that button right there, send to cut. So it says, do you want to initialize the machine? That's good. So I'll say yes. And there it goes. It initialized the machine. And now it's showing me the path that it's going to cut. And if I open advanced view, so I can see I've still got all of the standard features working. So let's just go ahead and press cut. Oops, again, I forgot to turn the clamps on. So I'm running this with the cutting head open. I'm not cutting a mat. I'm just running the machine so that I can see that it does all the proper motions with this particular controller card. And it did. And if I go there, it took 26 seconds right there to cut that mat. Okay? And if I press cut here, you can watch all of the programs scrolling past here. We can see all of the feedback changing here. Okay. There you go. It's all done. So that works.